Hello you beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all safe and well. Today I am talking about the matte lip liquid from The Body Shop. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button and the notification bell and we can have lots of fun. Check out my other videos too. I've got lots on here, so see what's going on. Have a little nosy around. But for now, let's get to the lip liquid. So the lip liquid is only £7 and I think this is an absolute steal, a must buy bargain. Bear with me. By the way, if you were wondering what lipstick I had on before, it was a Primark lipstick for like £1.50, which is also fantastic, but it really doesn't last long at all. Okay, so with the matte lip liquid, I love this because this is the Windsor Rose, by the way, number 32 Windsor Rose. To be honest, I would like to try more of a darker shade because I'm all about standing out lipsticks. Purples, reds, you know, dramatic. So I would go for a darker shade and there's lots of shades to choose from as well. So as I apply this, as you can see, yeah, it is really nice. It's a nice natural colour. I'm just going to apply it and then I'll have a chat to you. So as you can see, I have just applied the lip liquid. It will set in a moment and it will go matte, but it is so nourishing and so moisturising when I put it on my lips. It is gorgeous. It is so smooth. So I would absolutely recommend this. And it lasts so long as well. It's a nice size. You're going to get so much out of that. So this is the lip liquid, if you're wondering. If you have any questions about this, then please leave a little comment below as well. Totally recommend it. Just so moisturising and so lovely and comfortable. I would actually compare it to the MAC liquid. Yeah, I would love this. I love it. I love my lipstick. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you really soon. Bye.